My name is Cedric Pearson, and I'm new to the drone community. I've never flown a drone before in my life, but I've seen them. I'm into media, video, audio. I'm a disabled veteran, so I'm transitioning into my a new part of my life. So definitely looking into something that I can. It could be self-paced, but I can also be my own boss. Drone command, definitely the first day has been a lot of information for me. Not, I wouldn't say overwhelming, but just information that just I think I wouldn't have gotten from talking to different people or I guess researching myself. It's opened up a lot of ideas to me to where my mind is spinning and I feel like I'm in a good place, a good community, and I'm excited about the rest of the conference and just my career in drones.